Hi, I'm Andrew with Host Huski, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to start making your website with Divi on Host Huski hosting. So if you started your order with us and you asked for us to install WordPress and Divi for you, you'll notice that when you log in, Divi will be installed and you're all set to go. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Pages in WordPress, and we're going to add a new page. And I'm going to call this page Home. And I'm going to click Use the Divi Builder. Now, you can use pre-made layouts, but I'm going to show you how to do things from scratch. But just quickly, so you can see what these look like, I'm going to open them up for you. There's a lot of them, 127 actually. So these layout packs are a quick and easy way to get started with your site. There's tons to choose from, and they vary visually all over the place. Let's pick the juice shop and just take a look inside. As you can see, it has all sorts of different layouts for different pages for the site. Pretty neat. If we want to use the layout, we can click Use this layout. But since I'm going to show you how to do things from scratch so that you have the ultimate power and control, we're going to skip that step for now. So, the basics of Divi are pretty simple. You have a section, which holds all of the content inside of it, a row, which holds columns, we'll make it 3, and then within each column, you'll have modules, like any of these here. The most popular modules that we use here at Host Huski are the text module and the image module, as well as buttons. With those 3 building blocks, you can really make just about anything. Let me show you. First, I'm going to create a new section by clicking the blue plus button. I'm going to click a regular section, and it's going to ask me right away for a row layout to choose. I'm going to go with a single row. Divi is a drag and drop editor, so you can move this section container up above the other one. Looks kind of boring and confusing, I imagine. That's okay. We can click this monitor icon and see exactly what we're doing right here. So, I want this to be a black header, so I'm going to go to the background option under content and turn it black. This is a live updating preview, so what I set is what I get. For rows, I'm going to keep it to 1 column, and I'm going to add my first module. I'm going to pick text. Now, Divi puts some placeholder. I'm going to remove that and put welcome to my website. Finally, I want this to be the main headline or heading of my site. So I'm going to change the paragraph dropdown to heading 1. It's kind of dark. I can't really see it. So I'm going to go to the Design tab, go to Text, text color light, and then it shows up. I also want it centered, and maybe caps. I also want to increase the font size. Whoops. So I'm going to do that from here. Except for, this is for body text. If I want to change my heading text, I pick the heading level I selected, and then I can increase the size here. And maybe I don't like this font. I can pick a different one. When I roll over, it'll show me a quick preview of what it looks like. All of these are Google fonts. So if you go to fonts.google.com, you can find a font you like from their selection and then find it in this list. One of my favorite fonts is Montserrat. So I'm going to pick that one. And instantly my text changes. Now, we have 3 columns here. I imagine this will be 3 things they can do on my website. So, why don't we save a step, copy this, and put this right here, because I can drag and drop in Divi. It is white text on a white background, so let's go fix that really quick. By going back to text, text color dark. This text is too big. Maybe I want to put it back to regular settings and start over. I can right-click and reset the module styles. And instantly it comes back to what it was before. So you can look at pictures. You can read my blog. You can leave me a message. Uh-oh, this broke into 2 lines. Maybe if I remove me. There we go. Now I have 3 columns. And I can see what my website looks like in real time. After I'm done with my changes, I can go to Publish, and I wait until this checkmark turns green so I know that it's saved, and then it refreshes the page for me and brings me back to this view. If I ever want to go back to the view I was at before, I just click the monitor. Now, the nice thing about Divi, and this isn't unique to Divi, a lot of other platforms do this, Divi automatically allows your site to respond to the width it's displayed in. See how the 3 columns become 1 column, but all the 3 columns have smushed together in a stack? That's responsive editing. If I want to see what this looks like on the front end, I will go to my link for the page and click it. And it'll take me to my website. On Divi, there are other places you can go to learn more about how to use it. I'll include a link in this article, but I hope this video helped you understand how Divi works. Just to review, you have a section, a row, columns within that row, and modules within those columns. As you get more advanced with Divi, there's a lot of things you can do. The possibilities are really limited to only your imagination. And there's been some really neat designs that people have made with Divi all over the world. We hope you enjoy using Divi on Host Huski hosting, and that you'll find that it loads and runs very fast for you. If there's ever anything we can do to help you with Divi or with WordPress, let us know. We're always happy to help. This is Andrew with Host Huski. Thank you.